Welcome to CraftXO, your go-to channel for creative and relaxing art projects. Today, I'm excited to guide you through creating a stunning tropical sunset painting using acrylics. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, this step-by-step tutorial will help you craft a beautiful piece for your home decor. Let's dive in. Before we start, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a canvas, acrylic paints in yellow, orange, and red, a flat brush for blending, a smaller brush for details, black paint for silhouettes, a palette or disposable plate, water for cleaning brushes, and some painter's tape to mask the canvas edge. First, prepare your canvas by taping the edges with painter's tape to keep the frame border clean. Next, place a few dollops of acrylic paint on it. Start with a generous amount of yellow paint on one side, followed by small drops of orange and red in a row across the canvas. These will be the base colors for our sunset. Take a flat brush and begin blending the yellow paint across the bottom side of the canvas. Use smooth, even strokes to spread it out, creating a solid base layer. Don't worry if it's a bit uneven, nature isn't perfect. Now, pick up some orange paint with the same brush and start blending it next to the yellow, allowing the colors to merge slightly for a gradient effect. Keep working the brush back and forth to soften the transition between the yellow and orange. Add a touch of red paint to the brush and blend it into the orange, extending the gradient toward the bottom side of the canvas. Continue blending all three colors together, creating a beautiful sunset sky with smooth transitions from yellow to red. Finally, add another layer of orange color on top. With horizontal straight brush strokes, keep blending all layers of yellow, orange, and red colors to make the evening horizon with distant clouds, making vibrant color layers. Once the background is complete, let's add some silhouettes. Dip a smaller brush into black paint and start painting the outline of a mountain or hill on the bottom right side. Use quick, confident strokes to shape the rugged edge. Next, let's paint a palm tree. Use the black paint to create a thick, curved trunk extending from the ground. Then, add the leafy top by painting irregular, fan-like shapes at the top of the trunk. Add width and details to the branches and leaves of the palm tree. To enhance the scene, add a few more palm trees along the horizon, varying their sizes and positions. Use the same technique for the trunks and leaves to maintain consistency. Finally, add some small black strokes in the sky to represent flying birds. Keep them simple and sparse to give a sense of movement and life to the painting. Once you're happy with the details, let the painting dry. After the painting is dry, carefully remove the painter's tape from the edges to reveal a clean frame border, completing your tropical sunset masterpiece. Thanks for joining me on this craft journey with CraftXO. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials. Happy painting!